Hey guys, happy Wednesday. So I finally got the boys, Magnum especially, settled down with the lawn mowing crew here. He hates the lawnmower going back and forth on the lawn, and the guy, I don't know if you could see him out there, he's weed whipping. When they're up close to the house, he just does not like it and goes nuts. I mean, the other boys go nuts too, but he really hates the lawn mowing crew. He does. The big lawnmower's back in the backyard now, so that's gone, and that guy's out further in the yard weed whipping. So yeah, my son was mowing the patch where the boys are in that temporary fencing. He was mowing that because the lawn mowing crew can't get into that, and I had let the dogs out while he was mowing, and Magnum was trying to bite the wheels as my son was mowing, and I had to yell at him. I was like, oh my goodness, dog. Oh, I was like, you're gonna hurt yourself. And my son, instantly turned it off when he started biting the wheels. I couldn't believe it. It's the first time I've ever seen him do that. I don't know. So I guess he can't go outside when he's mowing anymore. Anybody's mowing. See? Something just startled him. Yeah. He's gonna bark at the guy out there now. Magnum, it's okay. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. They're outside. It's okay. You're gonna sniff Milo's butt. Magnum. He's so silly. He is like a guard dog. He's like a German Shepherd. He is a guard dog, let me tell you. Look at Milo. Milo! Oh, no, you can't see him. His ears are flipped back on his head. They're always flipped back on his head. It's so funny. So yeah, not much going on today. It's just been kind of a relaxing day. My daughter and I had an appointment at the Secretary of State to go finally get the address changed on our license and update our voter's registration. Got that done. Had lunch together. She's off to work now. My son and my husband are off looking at a truck. My son sold his car and he wants a truck. And it's been kind of hard for him to find something decent under, at the price range he has to work with. He just wants like a little S10 size truck. So they're off looking at that. And if they do find something, I don't know if they're going to head to the Secretary of State before they close. Since they won't, oh, I'm yawning, guys. I'm sorry. I keep yawning. I've just been so tired. Late nights and getting up early. So I have to get up every day at 7 to give Mozzie his Denamarin because he needs to have it an hour before he eats. It needs to be on an empty stomach so it does its job. So I usually get up at 7. It's a little chewable. I hand it to him in his crate and he eats that, and then I usually lay in bed till about 7:30, get up, do what I gotta do, and then I let the boys out of their crates at 8 to go to the bathroom and feed them. So yeah, and staying up till like 1:30 in the morning, and then I'm a person who has restless nights, usually sleeping. I usually get up once or twice in the night. I'm just woke up. I don't know what wakes me up, but I wake up. But I'm going to tell you what. The sleep buds I bought from Bose. Let me show you. I don't even know if I shared these with you guys. Let's see if Miggy's in here. I think Miggy's on my bed. Yep, he's on my bed. This is where he usually is when everybody's having downtime. What's on the floor? There's a button on the floor, Miggy. These Bose sleep buds, they're expensive. I think I already shared these, but they're expensive. But let me tell you what, they don't hurt my ears, and I can't hear my husband snoring. I really can't hear anything. My husband said that Mozzie woke up about 5 o'clock this morning and was whining and had to go out and go pee because the steroid he's taking makes him drink more, so he's got to go to the bathroom more. And I didn't even hear him, and I told him, I said, you got to be listening, you got to kind of, if you hear the dogs making noises, you need to wake up and see what's going on, because I can't hear them. But these things work so good if you have someone that you sleep with that has a snoring problem. And I've got Mozzie's Denamarin right here on the table, so I can just wake up, grab one, and give it to him. So yes, those things are awesome. The only bad thing is you can't use them to listen to anything else. It's just strictly for sleeping. But you know what? The money was worth it, because his snoring, well, if you know anybody, if you sleep with someone who snores, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, so nothing really going on today. I just thought I'd do just a video checking in, and if anything exciting happens later, I'll add it to this. But if not, I'm gonna say goodbye, and we'll see you tomorrow. I'll show you the finished product of the fence tomorrow when they're done. Okay guys, have a good day. Bye. Okay, Mozzie said I have to make the video a little longer. He said, Mom, you cannot have such a boring video for our fans. So I thought I would show my windowsill here in the kitchen. Excuse the dirty dishes. Somebody wanted to see it a little better. I don't know if you can really tell what the plants look like. Let me get up close. I'm not good with houseplants, but I'm trying. I'm gonna try here. I usually kill them. I couldn't even tell you what these are called, but I'm trying my hand. I thought they were really pretty, and I like them in these little tin planters here. And then I've just got this little birdie here. It lights up actually. It's battery operated. I never turn it on. And then I've got these couple of I don't know what you call them. The bird outline. You can actually open them like this, but I kind of like them closed, just with the oh, there's dirt on that. I kind of like them closed, just with the outline of the birds with the letters behind it. So that is what's above my windowsill. Nothing new really going on out here. Still haven't, excuse all the mess on the table. I still haven't put any kind of pictures or anything on the walls. I've been looking. I saw a couple things at Pier 1 I liked, but I haven't pulled the trigger yet and bought anything. I moved my schnauzers that were on top of this fireplace into the other room. I posted a picture on my Facebook page, but let me show those who may not have a Facebook page. I moved them into the schnauzer room here. Seemed only fitting. And I put them on the shelves here by the fireplace. So there's those. There's these. I put a little hook up there so I could hang my hanging schnauzer here, over here in the corner. And then these up here. So I thought they looked cute. It's almost like that little shelving area was made for, ooh, the Schnauzer figurines. So, and then I got another couple house plants here on my shelves. I had some other plants there. They were actually my son's. They're upstairs in his room now. And I got those. And then, I don't know if I showed it in the last video or not, but the ornamental grass is gone. Had the lawn crew dig it out. And we just got back from Meyer a little bit ago to, and we got a couple more plants and a bag of mulch to plant in there. There's a couple pink flowers and a couple purple. I'll have to show you in another video after we get it done, but everything's growing good. Nothing's died so far. I have a habit of killing things after I plant them, so I've been watering them every day, and they're doing good. So I think it'll look nice once we get those other plants in there. We might, that's a bigger spot than I thought. I might have to get a couple more. Oh, my daisies, look at the daisies. Let's see if I can zoom in. they need some water. I need to get out there and water those. It's been so hot the past couple days. This is great beach weather right now here in Michigan, because that Great Lakes water would feel awesome on the couple days we've had. Usually it's too cold and you don't want to go into the water. But on these really hot 90, the heat index I think was 89. Yesterday it was in the 90s, the heat index. Those are the only days really you can get in the water of the Great Lakes, because it's so cold usually. But when it's this hot, it feels great. So yeah, I need to get out there and water those. Okay, so Mozzie, was that enough time added to the video? Anyways, okay, the fencing guy says he'll be here at 7 in the morning tomorrow. So that means I need to get up at 6 tomorrow. No staying up late tonight. I gotta get up at 6 and let these boys out, let them do their business. They said it should only take a couple hours to get the rest of that fencing done. And then the boys will be able to enjoy the bigger backyard, bigger area. So we will videotape that for sure. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you go now. My oven is beeping. I gotta get dinner cooked. See you tomorrow.